All right, for this pattern, I'm going to show you how to do a zigzag pattern, otherwise known as kind of like a triangle type pattern or diamonds. So I'm going to pick a color and I'm going to start on an end. And for this example, I'm just going to be doing a, I went wrong. I'm going to do a full one all the way across the board and back, which you don't have to. I could stop anywhere I want on whatever string I want. But just to show you the full effect of doing a zigzag all the way down the board, using the whole board, I'm just going to make my line go all the way across and back. So for the first one, I would just do a regular full line there and back, like normal. So if you've done any weaving yet already, you've already done that, okay? Now the difference is if I'm going to do like a zigzag pattern, this time, instead of going all the way back and making a full line, I'm going to stop and skip that last warp string. So I skipped the last one, and I'm going to turn around and go back. Okay, so now with the next line I would do, instead of skipping the last line, I would skip the last two. And I would continue doing that, skipping another line each time so that my shape would turn into this long triangle until I got all the way down to my single last string, okay? Then on the flip side, I could add one each time instead of subtracting one. So I could do it that way too. So let's say I wanted to add one. So this time I just did one, wrapped around one. Now I'm going around two. Then the next one I would go around three. And obviously I wouldn't be doing this until I'd had the first triangle, like this big one, done, but just to show you the same effect, but this time adding lines instead of subtracting lines. So I could do as many as I wanted to and then come back if I wanted to. So I just keep adding and subtracting strings as I go to make zigzags across my board.